Chuck, y'all thought I was gonna take it easy on her? Hell no.
Okay.
That was a cool game.
Yeah, that was good.
How tall are you?
How tall do you think I am?
Probably about 5'2", 5'3". Yeah, just how I like it. Lay it on me. So I like me a little 5'2", 5'3". Thick, you know what I mean? Booty, fat, rotisserie. Lay it on me. Little orange hair and shit. What you making tonight? This for my story.
Some steak and shrimp and mashed potatoes and
Lay it on me.
filet mignon.
Had a good baby from the back. It's the ingredients.
Oh, corn is done.
You need the salt?
Yes.
You need any of this?
Yes, we bring it over here.
Which one you need?
All of them?
Yeah, all of them?
Yeah.
All of them for you. Make sure you got all of them.
You is back there getting ingredients for me?
Yeah, I'm just making sure.
Okay,
That's
I'm
all
making
doing.
sure. Put this up.
Put it where?
You can just put it up. I should have seen what he already had in the cabinet, so we're gonna go in there. First seasonings. So we're gonna see what he already got.
Oh yeah. What's this up, baby?
Got
You
this. Pepper.
I think you might need some flour.
No, I don't need no flour.
Oh, okay, my
No.
bad.
Crazy. Garlic. Let's see. We got pepper. Okay, now I could use this pepper.
Alright, Stunna in the cook-off. Stunna, do not play with them. Dead homies.
Come on now.
Don't play with them.
This ain't even a question.
Alright. Trying to start this either?
What?
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 You want the #1 spot or what?
Boy.
Oh shit. You're not playing. Oh shit. You're not playing. We got the shrimps and all that. I'll see you. My bad, baby. I was just stretching. You know, my calf been hurting lately. Like, ever since I was training earlier, like my calf just been hurting. Yeah, you know, I'm just stretching the calf. I ain't doing nothing. Oh shit. Woo. Beetle.
You want more stuff on me?
You get some A1 sauce, man. You get a little steak sauce.
A1 sauce?
Yeah, you get a little steak sauce on that thing. That look like she know what she doing or something. Feel me? Yeah. Yeah. Blue crib. It's really, yeah, it's really 101 Dalmatian, like, really having it like that, like.
This thing good as fuck.
Yeah, it's good. See? Let me see what that shit hitting for.
You don't even need no sauce. Try not to sauce.
All right, let me try it. Let me try yours.
Yummy.
Oh yeah, baby wants that #1 spot. Yeah, no. Baby wants the #1 spot. usually not this easy, baby. You know, I'm not usually going like that. You know what I mean?
No, right? You kind of going on.
I'm not usually going like this.
I can get excited over like that.
Man, overly going.
This is how you see the mashed potatoes. Come on now.
I ain't even get the mash yet.
Come on, you gotta get into it.
Get into them, man.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You know,
Oh yeah.
you can be ready.
Dead on me.
Looking good. Looking real good. Yeah, I want to taste test for sure. That'd be tasty.